Okay, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Kenneth, and Kenneth is here more than a year from his procedure.
Yes.
Very nice to come by and do a video for us, and as you can see, I'm going to put his side-by-side photos there. He is a very, very happy guy, rightly so, and he's here with his family. He's kind of just showing his hair off. So he said, he took off 20 years, man.
Absolutely.
You know, so you can kind of see us in real time. But it is very, very, very amazing what a hairline can do for someone's appearance. Kenneth, what do you think, overall, again, I know you talked about it a little bit on your first video, but what do you think of your final result, and what do people
Final result out of a 10, 15 plus. Man, you gave me 10 years back.
Awesome.
Gotta fight those young girls off. Get off me, I'm married.
Nice. Has anybody noticed? I mean, obviously your wife has.
My liner was way back here.
Right.
Now I was down here.
Right.
I'm looking like I did whenever I was like in my 20s.
Yeah.
And I'm 38 now. People cannot believe that I'm 38.
Awesome.
Yes.
And then if you put your chin down for us, I'm going to show you side by side. There we go. I mean, look at that. Wow. Anything, would you do it again if you could do it?
Absolutely. I'm trying to get my brother to get it done.
Awesome.
And the question I got was, does it hurt?
Right.
It didn't hurt.
Right.
The next day I was at the pool. Now, of course, I didn't put my head in the pool.
Right.
Just took some a leave, and I was good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
good.
that's the only thing I took was a leave, and then I want to thank you. Every time I text you, man, you always respond in a timely manner.
Well, it's nice that we can do that. Yeah.
Yes.
When you have one patient a day, it's very easy to do that.
Yes.
So
But you did it for a whole year.
Man, so we're really good at, people need those pep talks, those reassurance,
Yes.
especially the first couple months when nothing's happening, you look worse.
Yes.
So, Kenneth, thank you so much for showing everyone your
It's an
results.
honor.
And
It's an honor.
thanks again.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.